The Greece market is at it again. I was trading the stock market this morning. Obviously, I'm here in Australia, trading the US stock market this morning. And, and then all you hear was Greece all over it. Hearing the riots of Greece, the stock market pulling back just a little bit, not majorly, just a little bit on a short-term basis anyway. And, and all you can hear is Greece. Check this out. Boom! Let's get into it. All right. Okay. So just checking on the on the news about Greece and stuff like that, seeing exactly what happened. I didn't see anything while I was trading because I focus on trading. But looking at the abc.net.au website, you can see protesters clashed with the police with the march of the policy debates with the bailout. You can see here, right? Everything's happening right now in Greece. Okay, is that there's obviously. You can see that basically what's happening right now in Greece, we're talking about the bailout and all that sort of stuff, and basically Greece is just going crazy right now. But think about this, guys, okay? Greece right now is just is obviously you're going to expect some of this, right? Especially when you're going to have people over there that have a lot of money in their account and all you can get out of 60 euros. And now they're trying to get the bailout and all that sort of stuff as well too. You can see here on the headline, right? Greek anti-austerity protesters have hurled dozens of petrol bombs at police. I forget they didn't get that word right, did I? It doesn't matter. Petrol bombs at the police. That's what you saw at the start in front of the parliament ahead of a key vote on a bailout deal. The others didn't like that. They didn't want a bailout. In some of the most serious violence in over 2 years. That's happened, looking at Greece moving forward. So looking at Greece, guys, yes, it's happening, and yes, it's going to influx the market. But guys, the biggest news is China, right? China's the big daddy. I don't know what to talk about Greece. Greece is just a small percent compared to the whole big population. Obviously, it's not good what's happening to Greece. But I'm telling you right now, the way that the United States is going is that they will be a much larger example of what Greece is going on if they don't get their shit sorted with the debt. Make sense? So, tell you what now, guys, is that right now, especially if you're trading the markets, if you're involved with these guys, okay? Let's just make this a bit bigger. If you're involved with this here, okay? I'm just looking at oil here, by the way. If you're involved with trading at all, then make sure that you are absolutely, rock solid with your trading plan. Make sure you're trading a very low percent of your trading account, okay? Because something like Greece, something like a riot in Greece and petrol bombs and all that sort of stuff, what's happening now, guys, can really start to fluctuate the market really, really quickly. Volatility is not a good thing. Is that if you're just buying stocks, if you're using other strategies, volatility can be amazing. So just make sure you keep an eye out for that. Okay, Greece right now is a small thing, but it's actually affecting the market. It's fluctuating in the market. So make sure that you have really good trade management, really good money management whenever you're trading the markets out there. Because right now, with Greece doing its thing right now, obviously, the key vote is on a bailout deal, and obviously the overall audience of Greek is then is the Greek and the Greece over there is that they are not happy of the vote that's happening right now. So that's what's happening. They're not going to be happy with that. Obviously, we're expecting a lot more volatility in the markets, but I say bring on the volatility because if you have the right strategies, you can do well. But if you don't have the right strategies, if you're looking to just buy stocks, expect some volatile times. You know what I mean? You just don't know. Expect some volatile times. And moving into next year, a lot of the big people, Harry Dent, Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins, Donald Trump, all that sort of stuff, we saying we are in a big bubble. And I'm cautioning you right now, if you do have long-term buy and hold stocks, it may be time to get out or at least place some really nice tight stop losses on your stocks that you're using. So that way you're protecting your capital, or at least look to buy some put options. If you don't know what that is, you can buy put options. Look it up, talk to your broker if you don't know what it is. But if you have a big portfolio, buy put options. For around about 5% of your whole portfolio, you can protect it for a whole year. So if the market drops 50%, you've only lost 5%, not 50%, okay? Here's some cautionary things to look out for the next 12 months moving forward and what is happening with the basically Greece bailout and the clashes and the riots and all that sort of stuff. And again, be careful of the fluctuations of the market, guys. This is John Howell here from officialjohnhowe.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go clump. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.